afternoon, everyone.
What's up?
Yeah, it's Ethan here again. Today is Saturday, January 24th, 2026, and we're back at checking out Levi Stadium again and see how they're doing for preparing for the Super Bowl.
And first off, I see, yes, there has been more developments with the
Yeah.
tents.
Looks like there's more tents done.
Yeah, I don't know why they need this much, but
I know.
okay,
It's
fine.
just near our hangout areas.
Okay.
And there's a lot of trash in the shopping cart over there.
Of course, because there's no trash cans nearby. Some people will get desperate and they're just gonna leave it wherever, you know.
And the fence is rolled up still somehow.
Well, seems like this bus stop is in a
Yeah, because of the bus stop. Yeah.
So they can't really put the fence on properly. But yeah, let's see if there's any other changes other than more tents being put up and more developments in regards to
Yep. That sign is already done last week.
that.
Finally.
Of course, we saw that. You want to see it complete? Check out the last dance check made on last Sunday.
Yeah.
Damn. They got two fences? Bro?
Yeah, another fence over there.
Okay. Yeah, we got two layers.
Well, that's a lot of
crazy,
tents.
bro. And I don't know why, but there's some like cones over here.
I don't
It's
know.
like two carts full of these tall cylindrical cones. Look.
Yeah. Oh no, I don't know why.
Okay. I don't know why they're called cones if they are literally cylinders, but okay, fine.
Oh, whatever. And for the party right there.
Okay, no. I'm tired of them, bro. And yeah, developments are looking fire thus far.
Yeah.
God, the cars are kind of loud, but they are actually decorating the fences.
Yeah.
Now,
Can you
so,
see some
let's go.
fabric on the fences over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. More progress.
Yeah, progress is crazy, but we let it.
Yeah.
We let it be for a week, and this is what we see.
Yeah.
Nice. Figure out if we can even walk down the bridge still, but as we see some fences down there, it's not looking good.
Yeah.
But there's only one way to find out. It's by just looking and see if the opening is still open. And yeah, these cars can get pretty loud.
And they put a banner on the parking garage too.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Already.
Oh my god,
And-
there's some more decals everywhere.
Yeah. Looks like there's more.
Oh yes.
There's another sign that said Super Bowl 60 over there.
That's just the screen. You got this here.
And
And
it's
then
the screen.
For the staircase, for that covering of for the stairs, you know, the
Yeah.
escalators, there's also something there too.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, you can see the fences over there.
Yeah.
Decorated
This
fences.
is actually the front side now. We got
Yeah.
the back. Who wants to look at the back, bro? Come on. Yeah, looking good thus far.
Yeah.
Once again, bro. And they're also wrapping the hotel.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah, looks like they put they decorate the Hilton over there somehow
Okay.
with a green sign.
It's not really done yet because
Yeah.
it just
Yeah.
says NGIY. I do
I
not
know.
say angry, but it's just
I know.
angry.
Yeah. You can hear them working over there.
Yep, it's the weekend and they're still building things up.
And it's getting warm out there.
And if
Yeah.
you want to see that covering again, there it is.
Yo.
They actually decorated it.
Yeah.
Yep. Noticeable progress being put up. In a few weeks, this place bound to be literally littered with people, bro.
Yeah.
It's gonna be crazy, bro. They're also taking off the banners here, too.
Yeah.
Not only the
Yeah.
middle parts are left.
Looks like they just want to take off those signs from the left and right.
Yeah.
Somehow. Yeah, I wonder what they're gonna put in place of that.
Yeah.
If they're gonna put something.
We're definitely curious about that.
Yeah. Yeah, gotta find out later.
Okay.
Hey, here's the sign again. Yeah, looking good. And, yep, it's closed off somehow. Gate B. And
I was just doing someone a favor. I'm back, guys. But how's the build-up doing? Oh, yeah, these tents are pretty tall, bro.
Yeah.
God damn. These guys are colossal. Not gonna lie.
and looks like more decorative fences already.
Alright.
Yeah. Looks like they're about done with the tents or something. Yeah.
Nice.
And you can see just a bunch of colors on the screen over
Yeah, I
there.
think they're just testing how the colors look on the side.
Yeah.
They're running like a color test. Like,
I know, whatever.
Right?
Yeah.
Gotta test how the colors
Yeah,
look.
even on the big screen too.
Yeah. That's why printers, they have like a test sheet which shows all the colors. See like how the ink is doing,
Yeah.
all the colors show up or not. They're doing the same with the screen probably. So when the big game comes, there's not like just some weird miscolored pixels, you know?
Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah, we do not want that to happen. Oh, where did the green go? Yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen. Because, yeah,
Oh,
on my
no.
glasses, we are playing around with, like, filters, like image filters, so, yeah, I removed the green of, like, all of the images that we put into the processor, and, yeah, there's indeed a difference, so, yeah, we do not want that to happen during the big game.
Oh.
And I was kind of giggling at this, but welcome fans.
Yeah. They just want to welcome the fans.
Oh,
Yeah.
however, you know, Icon was Ethan. Okay. Yeah, this is like an inside joke that we have
Yeah.
amongst us. Icon. Yeah, I call you E-fan.
Yes.
And every time there's a fan, I say, oh, I don't see a friend.
Yeah.
And then Rose's room is filled up with fans too.
Yeah.
It makes it weird.
Yeah.
And I also call his fan, like his room, the fan room.
Yeah.
So yeah. Only those who know, bro.
Yeah.
Regarding to the structure being put up, it is taking form now.
Yes.
But still, I'm not really sure what it's for.
I don't know. Still need to find out with that. Yeah, you're structured again.
Yeah, we need like later on we can go up to the garage to see it better, but
And, yep. And looks like the sign up there says Super Bowl 62. Let's see to that.
Hey. Going crazy with all the decals, bro.
Yeah.
Of course, bro, the whole country's gonna see this place.
Yeah.
In just a few weeks.
Yeah. That's the big game, yeah.
Yeah. Just wait until June. It's gonna be bigger, trust, bro.
Yeah. Gonna be whole world.
Yeah, I don't know how we got blessed to this hard, but
I don't know.
really, bro, we got the biggest event in the world, really a mile away from us.
Yeah.
What in the world? No pun intended.
Yeah.
It's extra windy out
And
here.
it's windy out here too.
Holy,
You feel it.
yep, definitely feeling it.
I hope anything don't pull away from us.
Yeah, that would not be good. And wait, did the tents really spread over here?
Yeah,
now?
tents everywhere.
And we got two of these portable
And-
pods.
And those, yeah, little portables too.
Yep.
Yeah, it could be the offices
Oh, the office is over there.
too, or whatever. Yeah, looks like near a lot then.
Holy colossal, bro. Yep.
Mhm.
The tents over there are actually growing, bro.
Yeah,
Developing like crazy.
Yeah,
How big
yeah.
that thing is, bro.
yep.
And there's more signs being put up. There's whatnot.
Yeah.
Yep, definitely much more signs. Look behind you, bro.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
So, oh my god.
Absolutely crazy.
Yeah, let's head to the parking garage now.
Yeah, I don't know why they have to make it so inconvenient,
Yeah, it's a long way.
and there's some random rocks here. Yo, look.
Yeah, so we left to walk behind. I don't know how that up here.
You are too, bro. Not gonna lie. Yeah, this place is crazy, bro.
Yeah. And more decorated fences too over there.
A lot more development, as we can see, bro. Bro,
Yeah, the lights so long. Now,
you think I'm not gonna notice this, but there are hanging signs there.
yeah, oh no. I don't know what's going on over
You're
there.
not gonna notice there are two signs just
I
flying
know,
there?
I know. Why is it this one?
So you let the cars know there's a height
Yeah,
limit.
let's go.
I don't know. I think so.
Yeah,
Why would there be a height limit? It's not like it's a parking garage, but fine.
yeah.
Yeah, much more signs, but we got this guy too, but
Yo, one gorge.
whatever
That's
that
what I'm saying. Yeah. Then I gotta point towards the garage.
Is that what this parking garage?
Yeah, got me. Because that's the only parking garage around. Nearby.
Wait, everyone else gonna park?
I don't know.
Yes, there ain't gonna be enough space.
Yeah, gotta be in the parking lot then.
Especially when the parking lot's filled with tents.
I don't know. Yeah, gotta be still some spaces still.
Come on, that's not gonna be enough.
I
Even the
don't know.
normal game is assorted your parking.
I know. Yeah, I can park anywhere.
Oh,
Then.
So that means they're gonna park like literally right next to
Anyway,
a house or something?
Yeah, even
Come on.
in the neighborhood too.
No wonder we got a piece of mail saying, oh, you're gonna close some streets in your neighborhood.
Yeah,
That maybe explains it.
yeah.
Or to do the opposite, to keep these people out.
Or whatever parking lot nearby then.
Okay. Hopefully we don't get kicked out.
And let's take those elevators.
Once again. Huh, seems like they have
Yeah, that's
come up to
fun.
us. Normally these elevators are really waiting for us, so that's
can't
not
talk.
strange.
And those closing.
Of course it is. So it's an elevator. Let's go!
For me,
Of course.
an elevator.
Let's see how the view is of all these big colossal tents.
Your tents.
Look how, yeah, I told you, they're colossal.
And-
But they're really huge. Hey, make sure that no one can kick us out.
And yeah, here are the tents again. And looks like you still need to finish that roof over there.
That's a better
And it-
look at that overhang.
Yeah,
Now I got the way. That was one of that.
yeah,
That's what it is. This is an overhang.
yeah.
I don't know that, why that word wasn't in my brain when I needed it, but
Yeah.
that's what it is.
It's a structure again, yeah.
Yep, and that weird structure we wanted to take a look at here. You do not necessarily know what it is. Bro.
And you're also testing out the colors on that screen
Of
too.
course, make sure both
Yeah.
screens are
Yeah,
not
gotta test them
missing
all.
a color value.
Yeah, you just don't want something wrong.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if there's a missing color,
Something-
it looks so bad.
Yeah, you want everything to look right.
And I did test this thing, you know. I did test what happens when you remove all the red from a picture. It looks totally different. So
Yeah.
trust me, bro, it's not gonna look like at all.
Yeah, it's just saw every color moving around.
Yep.
That's what
But
it
if we
is.
were to test it.
Yeah.
Okay, I swear these elevators are waiting for us, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, come
Not the
on,
white
where's
one
the
there.
white one, bro? Why is the white one always
Yeah.
here for us, bro?
Yeah.
Even though we want to look at the view.
March closes at 10 p.m.
Oh,
That's
shit.
what it is.
There are people lingering in here all
No.
night. Okay, understandable. That would be kind of weird. Woo!
Way down.
Hey, let's go. also want to take a look at
Yeah.
this, but they are
Yeah, go check
actively repainting.
check out the convention center too. Yeah, it looks like they're done painting the pyramids up
Yep,
there at the
they're all
left.
blacked out now.
Now it's all black now.
Uh,
Yeah,
okay.
let's head in
And
and take a
also,
look.
they covered up more of the building. So,
Yep,
yeah.
they're covered in plastic.
Mm-hmm.
And more.
Definitely not want to paint the glass, you know?
No.
Definitely not.
Yeah, it's just want to redo those things. Yeah, make it look
This
good.
is really next door to the big game. So,
Yeah.
yeah, you want it to look good too. Long story short.
And it's another porta potty. Oh, dear.
God damn it.
Yeah, it's too many of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like there's no more behind those elevators anymore.
Yeah, that was not a good view at all. Imagine looking at the nice view and this toilet
Yeah.
single-handedly, but
Yeah, when we just making the video for the elevators.
it had to be the elevator video, bro. That sucked ass.
And here on the left.
Whew.
Yeah, looking good.
Okay. Yeah, they definitely covered up much more than last week, but
Yep.
jeez.
And I want everything to look good before the Super Bowl.
Of course,
Yes.
especially when you're next door. You
Yeah.
got those overhead shots. This place is gonna be seen.
Yeah. Yeah, even all the places next door too.
Because they are gonna be really visible in the overhead shots. Especially.
Yeah.
Okay, there's someone sitting here. Wire is down. Yeah, I also noticed there's still a lot of people patrolling the area.
Yep.
Oh. Wonder if those, now that the sign is gone, I wonder if those people are still patrolling on the deck underneath the sign, you know. Remember that from last week?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious about that now that I think about it. And there are 3 lifts here. I wonder
Yeah.
what for.
Yeah, maybe for painting the place.
Uh-huh.
Or whatever.
On the high points, you know, like the pyramids.
Yep,
Kind of
yep.
hard to reach. So, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if they were using these lifts to do it.
Yeah.
Seems like there's no bees in here.
And all.
Finally.
Looks like it's all over now then.
Yep. I'll be when the sign says Super B. Now
Yeah.
that's long gone, bro.
Yeah, now the sign's all done.
Now it's saying what it's supposed to say.
Super Bowl.
Yeah, not Super B, not Super Bow. Okay.
Ew.
Not soup or sup.
Ew.
Oh, I remember all those phases, bro.
Yeah.
And there's that car that's supposed to be on the platform again.
Hey, here's the car
Don't
again.
even try to hide it, bro. We see it, bro.
Yeah,
Damn.
it's just parking there now.
Hey, get back on the platform.
Yeah, yeah, gotta be there
Oh, okay.
by the Super Bowl.
Of course.
Started
I
there.
don't know why it's here,
I know.
not on the platform like it's supposed to. Yeah, back
I always
when
doing.
we were back there where the platform was, we noticed the car is gone again.
Yep.
Didn't really talk about it, but
Yeah.
it was indeed gone. And there it is. I think that's the car.
Yep. And let's see what's going on here too in there.
I'm tired of seeing that place is closed, but why not give this place a try again? Because last week it was closed. And in case it's open, let's go take a look.
And look pretty empty right now. And not much people.
It's kind of dead today. I don't know if anything happening
Nothing
at all.
happening right now. At all.
Nothing here.
Oh, let's see.
It's like every time we come here, there's something.
Yeah.
And it's closed.
What? It's closed.
Well,
Yeah.
confirms it.
And the convention center's closed now. Because they're redoing the whole place.
Yeah. That's a major paint job, bro.
Yep.
So major that no one's gonna rent out the place at all, bro.
Yeah. Looks like you don't need it at all right now.
Or maybe no one could rent it out because, yeah, they're literally doing a big overhaul, big enough for the whole place to have to be shut down.
Yep.
This place is dead this week. But
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks.
Nothing
this
much
place
right
will
now.
be Really bustling with people, bro.
Yeah.
Mark my words, it is.
Yeah.
110%.
It's gonna happen on
going to be crowded as freak.
February 8th. Yeah. That's when everything gonna happen. Yeah, it's gonna be crowded.
In like 2 weeks, bro.
Yep.
Take a closer look at that big pad, bro.
I see that too.
However, it's on the back side. Well, I understand because you want it facing the action, right?
Yep. Yeah, on the back of the building.
What?
Yep.
It's on the front, you can't really see it on TV because
Yeah.
it's on the wrong side.
Yeah,
The
go
game
to
is over there.
go to
so
face the stadium. Yes.
it actually is up right on the back instead of the front.
Yeah. Yeah, take a closer look.
However, we were gonna do that though because the place behind it is really it's the freaking work site, bro, where they're building up for the tents and stuff.
Yep.
So, okay, we'll try our best.
Yeah. Yeah, gotta figure out how to get there and see it. And looks like some of the plastic is falling off over there.
That's good. Oh, okay. I think they're painting on the facades too, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Because they are turning white, I think.
Yeah, I gotta repaint everything then.
Yeah. That's what's getting painted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Paint all the windows and walls or whatever, yeah.
Make sure the place doesn't look outdated.
Wait.
It was just crossing the street.
I know.
Okay.
Looks like that guy's just crossing the street. Anyways.
God, he vaped too, bro.
Ew.
I could make it out.
Yeah,
what it is,
he's
but
smoking something then.
I think it's a vape because it smells. It doesn't smell like normal smoke. That's all I can know.
Ew.
But, oh God. Both just managed to cross the whole street.
I know. I just want to.
Wow. Seems like the road really cleared up.
Yeah.
Oh, one car. Okay.
There's not much cars in. Anyway.
So clear that this guy managed to cross the street without anyone ever crossing the road. Both sides too, bro.
Mm.
Or maybe just couldn't wait to patrol the wreck site because I don't know.
Whatever then. Yeah, you see them leaking over there. Yes, there's a lift.
Uh-huh. Oh, they're actively working on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Where's a good angle because this is the entrance to the work site.
Hey, it's closed off. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Maybe this is our best.
Yeah, it's kind of a funny angle, but there's not really any good place to look at it.
Yep.
I want to zoom in. Well, I need to access the buttons. Okay, now zooming out. Not want that.
Yeah.
But yeah, there is a guy working on it at the moment.
Yeah.
It's definitely not done.
Yeah. They're not done yet. And we're waiting.
And yeah, this tree is coming to die though.
Yeah.
That's the only problem.
Yeah, there's a bunch of trees too. And looks like some people on that area over there.
So many people with the all access pass again.
Yeah, they're done again.
It's done.
And they're carrying suitcases around too. Yeah, they're carrying something. Yeah.
How these people managed to be able to look at the place early on. How did they get that all access pass?
Yeah, can you go inside the stadium
I'm
too?
kind of curious. How did they get around to get it?
I don't know. Yeah, I gotta be doing something or whatever, yeah.
Right? Yeah, this tree is covering it though.
Yeah.
Can't really see much of it though.
Yeah, not much anyways.
Okay. Zoom out. But yeah, it's supposed to say angry, but it says angry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, still have to put the A on it. I think it says angry. I'm not really 100% certain, but from the looks of it, I can speculate it's gonna turn out to say angry or with something above it.
Yeah.
Okay, one last time. Want to take a look in this place?
Yeah.
Because they have that place decorated.
Yeah.
From last week.
I was there myself last Sunday.
Okay, I saw what you two did.
Yeah.
Remember the status checkies that status check the Mirage, right?
Yeah. On top of it. Yeah.
Him and his crew.
Yeah. He took his 2 kids on a night wide on Saturday night.
Meanwhile, you are the solo one. You guys
Yeah.
got the switch, bro.
Yeah. It just happened to make 4 videos last week.
And then for that last one, team and solo, the
and-
roles got switched somehow.
And there's some correlation between those two too.
And you know what has no correlation?
Yeah.
3D text.
Yeah.
I don't know why we're talking about this in the status check, bro.
And also one of the videos is filmed at a different location too. For both.
Oh, yes. Holy. Yep.
Yeah.
People are checking in.
But then they're checking in then. And here it is again in the lobby. That. Then let's check out the elevators again.
These are some normal elevators, right?
And the mirrors.
However, yeah, that's the only special part about these elevators right there, just the mirrors. Hey, get over it, bro.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay,
And-
that's a different
And
variation.
just set Hilton then for this one.
Not really the one I was expecting, but still. It's different variations of the
And
decals.
yeah, there's pictures in there too. It's like the same one as the Super Bowl one.
It's
Yeah.
kind of pixelated though. Ugh.
Same pictures, by the
I'll
way.
give you a close, it's pixelated. The
Yeah.
quality is not really
Oh my
100%, you
God.
know. And
And it thinks something in the wall then or whatever. Yeah.
did we pick the
A
wrong
long way,
window?
by the way. Yeah, it just roads.
Yeah, we are tired of the road.
Anyway,
Everywhere we go, we see that there's so
yeah,
many
gotta be roads everywhere. Everywhere gotta have roads, yeah.
roads. Okay, that was
here's-
more like it.
Here's the stadium again. Yeah,
Hey.
that's what we're looking for.
Okay.
Yeah, looking good.
A lot of junk down there.
Yeah, oh, it's a lot of stuff.
Yep,
Yeah, you're working on the back of the building right now.
of course. As we saw before, even though we couldn't get a good shot of it.
And you
Up
have the
close
tents too. That's a bunch
Tent City.
in one area.
Aye,
And here's the convention center again, looking good.
aye.
Yeah, pyramids are black now.
The ones at the very top are still green though.
I don't know why.
Those are the hardest ones to reach.
You still need to do that one.
And all the green swim literally everywhere too.
Yeah, you gotta paint all the green black. Yeah.
Yeah, literally the whole place has green on it. Now they're redimming it to black.
Yeah, turn everything black.
Great. That's gotta be a long process.
Yeah, gonna be a long way.
Replacing all the green. There's a lot of it, bro. Sheesh.
Yeah, gotta be done by the time the Super Bowl starts.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hear it thinking. And so that one open again.
Yep, it's this one again. We kind of want the other style.
Yeah, because instead of the Super Bowl logo in it.
Yeah.
We're happy to get that one.
Yeah.
On Sunday.
If you want to see that style, one, it looks like the style of the lobby.
Yeah.
The detail of the lobby. The second, you can literally see the Sunday stats.
Someone's checking in again.
I don't know how this place is decorated without the others.
I don't know why.
Even though the other one is like a bigger place.
Yeah, it's much bigger.
Yep.
Right away.
One last angle. Let's go head to it.
Yeah, that's it.
We got the platform here.
Yep.
Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, I think there's some action.
Yeah, there's a lot happening here. Yeah, just wanted to decorate this whole place somehow.
Wicked on this side too, man.
I don't know.
There's a whole freaking clue here.
I
They
know.
got the freaking window cleaner platform.
Yep.
I wonder what for.
I don't know what they're doing.
They either they're cleaning the windows or they are putting something up.
Yeah, it could be I don't want no
Let's
daddy.
see.
Yeah, gonna find out
next
later.
week.
Yeah.
Not really doing much right now, but I swear next week the result is gonna be nice and clear to us.
Yep.
Okay, we got a car coming out.
2 cars. Hey, now we stop then for us.
Okay.
And looks like it's a bunch of stuff there.
Those are like fences.
The fences. In 2 piles. Yeah, I wonder where they can put all those fences.
Yeah. Are they gonna come in this area?
And yeah, I can still see it on the color testing over there.
Make sure one of the colors doesn't disappear at the last minute.
Yeah.
If you have no red, no green, or no blue, you are cooked.
Oh,
So
yeah.
hot.
Yeah.
I tested with it before.
Yeah,
so
we're not gonna look right at all.
I saw it with my own eyes.
Yeah.
I removed all the red from the picture. I
Yeah.
really did that, bro.
Yeah.
I did say,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Look up with my eyes.
I wonder how long you're gonna test out the colors for then.
I wonder, bro. Why would you need to test this much? I don't know.
Yeah, I just want everything to look right. Everything. Don't want anything to look long.
Yeah, make sure no single pixel is off.
Yeah. Okay.
Not a major cluster.
Yeah.
And
Looks
there's
like.
some build up here too.
Yeah, looks like something happened here too. I don't know. Looks like setting up more
Are
stuff.
those like 2 entryways or something?
Yeah, it could be one.
Okay.
And yep. And some more fences over there too.
Oh,
These
yeah.
things.
To manage all the people coming here in the next 2 weeks.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
And yep, he's out again.
Here's a better angle.
Yeah, another angle by the way.
Stupid trees covering it, but this
Still
is better.
trees.
See?
Yep, it is.
It says
Yeah.
N.
Yeah, NGR1. Yeah. I think I say angry then.
It says football makes you angry.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe
Yeah,
that.
that's gonna be the finished product. I don't know what the bottom row says, though.
I don't know. Yeah, I gotta find
But
out
that's what I think it says for the first 2 lines
next
of
week
text.
or whatever.
What?
Yep.
Oh, they stopped the colors. Now it's not moving anymore. Okay.
Yeah. Now it's stopped.
Started. And it started up.
Yeah, because I didn't want to test it for quite a long time then. Yeah, I want everything to look just white.
Oh my god.
Yeah, everything to look nice. Yeah. And okay, looks like that's all for now. Okay, maybe see you next week for another update.
Yep.
And yep,
Oh, don't even get me started on after next week, bro.
yep.
Because after
And,
next week is when everything about to come down. So after the next shit comes out, it's gonna be like 1 or 2 days before the big game actually starts. So yeah, it's
yep.
gonna get crazy during that time.
And yeah, and watch for more updates for here and the Mission Cards Library.
I think we're gonna do that later. Like, not gonna lie. After we
Yeah.
finish this one,
Yeah, we can
move
hit
on
it.
over there.
After finishing this.
Yeah, it's not even that far away. It's also walking distance.
Yep. And also, yep. Back in 2024, the Super Bowl took place in Vegas.
I remember.
And
It's iconic.
they
bro.
turned the Mirage volcano into the
Oh.
Paramount Mountain.
Which I call
Yeah.
Peerless Peak.
It's a snowy mountain, by the way,
I
and
don't know why,
it's a
but-
pretty good event. Yeah.
Okay.
And also,
Yeah, it's free.
Don Thomas has made some videos too. Back then,
And yeah, it looks really
For-
similar to this, bro.
at Allegiant Stadium, yeah,
First,
that's where it
the
takes
tents,
place.
The freaking tent
Yeah.
city, and second, the fences are decorated.
Yeah.
We see a definite correlation.
Now-
And might as well add a bonus. Yes, they are wrapping the nearby buildings.
Yeah. And now it's our turn making a video for
Yep.
Super Bowl
And we're literally seeing
here
the literal
at
correlations,
Levi's
bro.
Stadium,
We
yeah.
literally see like 3 relations. We are literally seeing the same thing come up here.
Yeah. Now we both make videos for Super Bowl
Yeah,
now.
no one's getting jealous, guys.
Yeah,
Let's go.
we're not jealous anymore.
Yeah,
By the
let's
way.
go. It's our
Yes,
turn
done
now.
top, yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. See you again.
Next week. Hey.
And have fun, everyone.
Let's go.